What's your tips for success, Andre?
You're making money, you're doing well.
So we just bought Andre's tie rod ends. Now we can actually go and start working on the car.
Done alright.
Before? Oh yeah, look how fucked that is. Look at that. It's disgusting. So I thought the radio wiring, which is back there, which is all taped, I thought that was awful. But I've just taken off the bottom of the dash, and there's snipped wires, and there's plugs leading to nowhere, and it's AIDS. And I can't. All the fuses are wrong. It's awful. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm gonna undo this. Sorry.
You know you've got a breaker bar you can use, right?
Yeah. I was hoping not to. You didn't want to use it.
I mean, you probably should. Alright. This was his reversing light. It's dead.
Is it that bad?
Look. It has no wire in the two.
It's black.
I'm just loving the Sikaflex everywhere.
We've got to actually fix that up because it leaks at the moment.
Of course it leaks, dude. Oh yes, you brake caliper. Sorry? Just gonna start your car for a second. So while I've been trying to diagnose why the fuck Andre's car doesn't want to do anything electronically with no results, let's see what Andre's done. Alright. Tie rod end. Bada bing.
And boots.
Tie rod end.
And boots.
And the boots. And then he's taken off his control arm. Andre, you were productive. So we're back another day working on this, and I've just pulled off the plastic around the steering column, and oh, what's this? More twist and tied. More and more twist and tied. Oh my god. I've just soldered 2 of the taped wires. Uncovered one, that was just one they've tapped into and not used. Now I'm going to do an awful job at soldering the awful wire. Do you know how stressful it is working on someone else's wiring? Because like, if this was my car, I'd know that if I fucked it up, I'd just replace the wire.
Yeah.
This is your car, you've got no spare wire here, I can't fuck it up.
I know you need to get a spare wire.
Okay, Andre, that AIDS wire's done.
Sorry?
That AIDS wire's done.
Which one?
The most AIDS one.
I thought brake pads were easy install.
Nothing's an easy install on this car, dude.